How's it going, Mark? This is Giovanni over at Alvarez Jag. The following video shows you that 2012 XJ-L we had spoken. This is our beautiful 2012 XJ-L. This is actually midnight in color, which the darn thing is so dark blue, it gives you the appearance that it's black. But this color is so rich, so deep. I mean, it just gives you a look, you know, that's completely unique to the Jaguar line of vehicles. I mean, it was a color that, you know, has always been around historically, but what they've done to it, I mean, it is just absolutely phenomenal. You know, you really don't get to appreciate it till you kind of walk up on it and see it in the sun's view. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. It makes this car look stunning. Now, this is a long wheelbase model, so, you know, as far as the massaging front seats, heated and cooled front and rear seats, navigation, backup camera, blind spot monitors, adaptive dynamics in the suspension, so it will adjust to the stiffness or looseness of the suspension based on how you're driving and where you're actually operating the vehicle. LED lighting in the front, hard drive navigation, hard drive entertainment system, dual panel roofs and standard equipment. I mean, this thing is absolutely fully loaded right out of the box. You don't even have to package yourself on this because you'll be head over heels in love with when the car comes in standard. Look at this interior. This one happens to be the jet with the ivory color combination, soft grain Italian leathers, massaging front seats, heated and cooled rear seats, wood leather steering wheel. I mean, just absolutely phenomenal. They even did the wood finish on the doors and then the rear of the vehicle. I mean, this Jaguar has more wood than any Jaguar ever produced. One of the other pieces of innovation, glass roof, standard on all the vehicles. I mean, in and all, this new 2012 is just a complete package. Now, this is a view of the cockpit. As you can see, it's classically designed but digitally inspired. So when it gives you navigation instructions, instead of looking over at the actual navigation screen, this little guy right here on the right hand side will give you the direction and the mapping info right there in front of you, so that way you don't have to take your eyes too far away from the road. If a call comes in, it'll let you know right there on that right hand side as well. If you change your radio station, whatever's going on with the vehicle, it'll let you know right here or in this digital display. It was modeled after the Boeing business jet. I mean, the technology and innovation is just absolutely phenomenal. Now, with the navigation screen, of course, it'll let you voice activate your navigation system with the simple use of a voice command. You'll be able to use your phone system with the simple use of a voice command. In and all, they just want you to be able to get in the car, press the gas, press the brake, and you can use your voice to do everything else you need